Hello and welcome to the speed editing course. I'm your host, Dave MZed, and I've been a YouTuber over the last 5 years. I've had several videos that have gotten many views, and I've specifically been in the review space on YouTube. But I really love the YouTube genre, and I feel like there's a lot of videos about editing and a lot of videos about shooting, but nothing that specifically covers the techniques that I've learned and put into practice as a content creator on the internet. It really is a completely different genre of video making. A lot of the techniques that you learn in film school or you learn for commercial projects don't necessarily apply to YouTube. Speed is of the essence when it comes to editing for YouTube videos. Every second counts because every second that the viewer is getting bored, they're clicking onto someone else's video. So in this tutorial series, I'm going to cover how to lay out your foundation, how to add B-roll, how to add text and graphics and captions to enhance the footage, how to incorporate music and do basic color correction, as well as the perfect export settings because speed is of the essence. Let's get started. I'm Dave MZed. Let's go.